This is a story of two young savers. They were sisters, they were. Almost exactly identical, but not quite. Let me begin. It started very dark. It was so dark that people needed help. They were in a dark age, if you will. And things soon became lighter, almost as if you could see something. And soon enough, you could. It was two sisters out on the horizon. They were pushing their bikes into town as if they were galloping in on stallions, wild stallions. And through these wild stallions, soon days became lighter and easier to tread through. But with this lightness soon followed a soon darkness. And this is when Sarah said, "Hurry, Tegan, follow me, sister." And Tegan said, "No, I need to take the lead now. I need to show the world that I'm super hip and cool and don't just follow you around." And so it was then that Tegan took her place in the front with her shades on. And Sarah, she held her arm close by her because it appeared to be broken. Who knows? Maybe Tegan broke her arm in an attempt to get a front place or something. But soon, they turned sickening green from jealousy of each other. But not long after this jealousy consumed both of them in greenness, they believed that they were darker than this, but darker in a more ethnic black way. So, with this, they said, "We're just hardcore cool." And Sarah said, "But you know what, Tegan? It's time for me to take my place in the front again. I need to step up and let the world in." So, again, Sarah stood up. Or she sat down on a couch. But she took the limelight again in her recording studio. And she sat and she jammed and she made all sorts of amazing music and lyrics that you wouldn't believe. These lyrics changed the world, they did. So much so that I can feel it in my bones sitting here right now. And until next time, I leave you with this darkness until Tegan and Sarah come and lighten things up again.
Dance, monkeys, dance! Yeah!
So seductive.
Oh, hilarious. Bleh.